Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. We have this beautiful 2015 Infiniti Q50. This is an off-lease vehicle that recently was turned in at our store. Local one-owner clean Carfax. It's been serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. Who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti store like us? Our techs work on these vehicles on a daily basis and are very familiar with them. This one only has 25,383 miles at the time of making this video. Very low miles for 2015. Most people average between 10, 12, and 15,000 miles a year. Personalized a little bit, the customer added this kind of carbon fiber look throughout the interior. Normally it's aluminum trim, so he just covered it up with this carbon fiber look. It's kind of like a stick-on, but it almost looks the real deal. I think it looks cool, but for whatever reason, if you don't like it, it's a sticker and it can get peeled off fairly easily. Dual display system. This has navigation, rear parking camera, 360-degree around view monitor, backup collision intervention, moving object detection. You can change views as well. There's a nice side view, good for parallel parking. This one has a technology package, Deluxe Touring Package, so it's very nicely equipped with features. Features a whole suite of technology from Infiniti. Adaptive cruise control. It features direct adaptive steering, so it's steer by wire, so there's no mechanical connection to the steering wheel under normal driving conditions. There is a mechanical backup in case there's a full system loss. Why would they do this? Well, when you have steer by wire, the system can filter out unwanted feedback. So for instance, if you hit a rut in the road that would normally jerk the wheel, or a pothole or something like that, the system filters that out, and it only gives you the information that you want to feel and filters out the information you don't want. You can program the steering feel so it can be heavy and a quick ratio like a sports car, or you can make it lighter and slower steering ratio like a luxury car. The system works nicely with lane departure prevention, blind spot prevention, lane keep assist, which will make small steering corrections to keep you in your lane on the highway to help battle driver fatigue. So with all this technology, this is a great vehicle for someone who commutes a lot in stop and go traffic. And it also features a lot of safety features like forward emergency braking, predictive forward collision warning. This car actually has the ability not just to see what's going on in the vehicle in front of you, but it actually can see what's going on in front of the vehicle that's in front of you. So if that vehicle that's in front of the vehicle that's in front of you hits the brakes, the Q50, its emergency braking can hit the brakes before you even know what's going on. Really cool system. Really nice color combination on black on black. This obviously has the upgraded leather seating package versus the standard leatherette that you get. Four brand new tires in our service department. Hankook tires, a very good tire brand. We don't put the cheap stuff on. All season floor mats. Some of the chrome accents on the exterior are also blacked out, which looks nice. Also has tinted windows. The customer tinted the windows. So all four windows are tinted. This one features intelligent all-wheel drive, perfect for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. The heart of the Q50 is the award-winning VQ37 engine. Makes 328 horsepower. It's a low maintenance engine with maintenance-free timing chains. This one also features a lifetime powertrain warranty, something extra that we do at Infiniti of Tacoma. Come in, take it for a drive. I think you'll be very impressed.